कुटबॉन वाठारांत सध्या कॉलेराचें दुयेंस वाडपाक लागला. हाचेर नियंत्रण हाडप गरजेचें. कॉलेराचें दुयेंस नियंत्रणांत येवंक ना जाल्यार जेट्टीक कुलूप मारपाचो अधिकार आपल्या कडेन आशिल्ल्याचें पर्यावरण मंत्री आलेक्स सांगता. शेनवारा पर्यावरण मंत्र्यान उपजिल्लो अधिकारी, मामलेदार तशेंच बोट दनिया वांगडा बसका घेतली. हे बसके उपरांत मंत्री उलयलो. तशेंच कुटबॉना जेट्टीचेर 4 अनवळख्यो होडयो आसात, त्यो बंदर कप्तान उखलतल्यो. होडयो उखलपाक आडखळ जाली जाल्यार क्रेनीच्या मजतीन उखलतले अशें मंत्र्यान स्पष्ट सांगले.
You see, we have the powers to seal it because right now there is an issue there, cholera. So government has the powers to seal. We don't want cholera to spread all over.
But any decision is taken finally to...
No decision is taken. No decision is taken. I have told interested parties that if you all don't act, these are the powers we enjoy. We will do whatever has to be done. Then don't complain.
What made you to say that? Because
no, I have not. Nothing made me to say. It's just to convey to them that we mean business. And trust me, I mean business. The Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, has given me a task. I will deliver. We have estimated that per day there will be a minimum crowd of 600 laborers. So accordingly, he will cater to these 600 laborers. That is as far as sanitation is concerned. As far as the vessels that are lying there, or lying idle if I may call. Whilst talking to you, Captain of Ports is conducting a survey to study the condition of the vessels. So once we get that report, we will move forward. As far as the other vessels are concerned, the dinghies and other things, as I am again talking to you, Fisheries Department is sticking notices to tell the owners, either you remove or we will confiscate your vessels.